Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this outfit for emo theme in Trust and Press without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I made this outfit in Trust and Press. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle, this one and also this one, and then you're going to color it black. Okay, and you can put on the sunglasses. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the shirt area. Okay, it's right here, and then I'm going to select this shirt. Okay, and I'm going to color it black. Okay, just make it black like this, and then I'm going to put on this boot, and I'm going to go to the skirt area. It's here, and then I'm going to select the skirt, and again I'm going to make it black. Okay, and I'm going to move to this area. I'm going to add this belt, and I'm going to choose this item, color it black, and I'm going to select this stocking, and I'm going to apply for the pattern you can apply this pattern. Okay, and then the next one I'm going to move to this area. It's right here, and then I'm going to select this earphone, and I'm going to color it with this color. Okay, this gray color. All right, and then I'm going to move to the necklace area. I'm going to choose this necklace, and I'm going to make it black and white. All right, and I'm going to choose this bag, and then I'm gonna choose this choker. It's here. All right, and then the last one, I'm going to go to the changing room, and I'm going to put on a jacket from the coats item. Okay, I'm going to go to the coats, and I'm going to choose this jacket. Okay, and I'm going to remove the watermelon. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to dress like emo and Dressed and Proud without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.